Hi, it's Hardreset and today I'll show you how to fix zoom not working on Google Pixel 11 Pro. So if a 120 zoom not works, then first close all the background apps including the camera. Now open Settings, then Apps, select Camera in See All if you don't see that there, Camera, now Storage and Cache, and Clear Cache. Open the camera, select the normal photo and the camera mode. Now just slide here into the 120. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.